Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an Instagram Reels channel in 2026 even if you are starting from zero. Now, Reels are still one of the fastest ways to grow on Instagram, and the algorithm pushes short engaging videos to the new viewers every single day. So in today's video, I will take you from creating your first account to setting up your profile properly to choosing your niche and posting your first batch of reels. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start a reels channel that actually grows. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now in our step 1, you can start a reels channel in two different ways. You can either create a brand new account or you can turn your existing Instagram account into the reel focused channel. Now if you are starting a fresh account, you just have to open your Instagram application. Then you just have to come here on this page that says create an Instagram account. Once you are done, simply provide the username which you want to set for your account. It should be the one that actually matches to your niche. Afterwards, press next. Then simply press yes, continue. If you want to provide the mobile number or the email address for your Instagram account, simply select it, that is given here in the bottom. Afterwards, you just have to follow the certain instructions in order to basically create your Instagram account. If you already have an account, you can tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, or you can just long press on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Over here it is going to show you all of the Instagram accounts that you have. So you just have to switch to that particular account which you want to convert into the reels channel. Now as you can see, this is the account, let's say, which I want to start as the reels channel. So once you have it ready, tap on the three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, simply just scroll down and try to find the option of the professional or the creator account. You can also look for the search icon here on the top in order to search for the professional account, or you can now here from the given categories, simply choose the categories in which you want to post the reels. Then click on the option of switch to the professional account. Now this particular step is going to give you the analytics and bunch of different options like adding the links to your bio and a bunch of different things you can do with the help of your creator account. So make sure that the first thing that you do here is to simply turn your personal account into the business or the creator account. Now that you have done it, now is the time for you to make your profile look more intentional. Now here you need to upload a clear profile photo that includes your face, your brand icon, or a simple logo. In order to add the profile picture, click on the option of Edit Profile. Over here, select the option of Change Profile Picture. Now click on the option of Choose from Library. Over here, it is going to show you all of the images that are available in your gallery. So you just have to select that particular image which you want to basically set for your account. Now once you have done that, it is going to take some time and load the image for you. Once it is ready, simply just come out, and as you can see, you have successfully set up a professional profile picture. Now in the second step, you just have to choose your reels niche. Instagram grows your channel when your content stays consistent, so you need to pick a niche. You can start with any tech niche or motivation, or if you don't know about your niche, you can tap on the search icon and look for what people are actually searching. You can look for the fitness routines, or you can use the search bar here on the top to search for, let's say, AI tools. After that, you can click on the option of reels and see what people are actually engaging with. Then you can select your niche. Now in the next step, you need to learn what reels the algorithm pushes in 2025. So Instagram favors the reels that are fast, clear, and watchable multiple times. The best performing videos can be ranging between 7 to 12 seconds. You need to have a strong hook in the reels in the first 1 to 2 seconds of the video. You need to include the text that explains what the viewer is about to learn. So as you can see, when I searched for AI tools, this is the reel that received 2.2 million views. So they have a certain format for this reel. Now you can just scroll down and take a look at how this person is creating the reel. So whether it is engaging, what hooks they are using, so how long the video is created. So you just have to note all of these things and pick your style as well. Then you need to start creating your first batch of reels. So let's say you are interested in creating this type of AI videos. So for this type of AI videos, you need to create an AI avatar too. So instead of posting one reel or waiting, you need to prepare a small batch of these types of videos. At least record 3 to 5 short videos on the similar topic covering with your niche. For editing purposes, you can use either CapCut or VN Edits. They have 2026 templates available. So once you have created your reels, you just have to start posting them. So you can click on this plus icon here on the bottom. After that, select your reel by tapping on this reel icon here in the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on the option of next and come here on the page of posting. Now you will have to provide some of the required hashtags. The hashtags should be relating to the niche that you have selected. You need to post at least one reels every single day and at least 4 reels every single week with all of these hashtags. So this way you will be able to start an Instagram Reels channel in 2026. Now if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.